Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you could make $1,000 a month flipping Instagram accounts or buying and selling Instagram accounts. Now, this is a very unique business strategy because of the amount of money you can make if you do it correctly. There is some risk involved in this. This is not a risk-free strategy, so you have to do this at your own risk and only do it with money you're not afraid to lose. Have your side money you're doing with your side money. Don't play with the rent money doing this. Don't play with your credit card debt money. Don't play with your car payment money. This you're gonna want to do with your side money. Generally speaking, you could get started with that, under $100, but depending on how far and how much you want to scale, eventually you will need more money, but you'll be making that money back fairly quickly using this strategy. So what do you do? Well, simply put, you will be buying Instagram accounts and then you will either resell them for more, or you will keep the account and continue growing it and make money via promotions, via shout outs, via advertising companies on your Instagram. Now, the thing you're probably wondering is, how do I know what to buy? Well, for those of you who don't know, everything on the internet is broken down into niches, and some niches are more valuable than others. For instance, if you are in a entrepreneurship niche, that is considered more monetarily valuable than, let's say, an art niche. Look, I love art. I'm not saying anything against art, but generally speaking, if you have an Instagram page that is all about art and an Instagram page that's all about entrepreneurship and investing, the investing and entrepreneurship page will generally be worth more than the art page. Again, assuming they have the same level of engagement and the same level of followers, okay? And the simple reason for that is supply and demand. So how do you know what to buy, and how do you know how much the shout outs you're gonna be able to get are worth? Well, it's fairly simple, guys. What you do is you go on Instagram, you go on Instagram.com, go on your phone or go on the website. They do have a desktop website, right? And you reach out to other accounts that you would be buying similarly to, right? So let's say you're on here, you're on Social Tradia, right? And you're looking for a food and nutrition Instagram account, okay? Right over here, we have one with 3.6 thousand followers, and they want $125 for it, okay? For food and nutrition. So what do you do? Well, you're gonna go onto Instagram and you're going to do a couple things. Firstly, you're gonna make sure this account is real, and there's an easy way to do that. Just look at the pictures and look at the comments. If there's like a ton of likes but no comments, generally it might be a botted account, so you do have to watch that, and I'll do a separate video on that in the future on how to vet your Instagram accounts. All right, I'll do that in the future. But what you do is you say, all right, so this has about 3.5 thousand followers, right? You go onto Instagram and you try and find an account with a similar amount of followers and in the same niche. It's the most important part. Make sure it's in the same niche of the account you're looking at on Social Tradia, okay? And you go to that account and you're going to ask them, hey, you're going to pretend to be a business, okay? You're going to say, hey, I am insert whatever business, and I was wondering how much you charge for a shout out on your account. So with an account with 3.5 thousand followers, they're probably going to be like, hey, we charge $20 for a shout out, right? And then you're going to use that to develop, all right, well, how long will it take for me to make my money back? You're going to look at the account's post, how many advertisements are they doing per month? And you're going to look at a variety of factors. Now, if it was the case, they're charging, that they're getting about $20 per shout out, right? So this account is charging advertisers about $20 for a shout out to the advertiser's account or to an advertiser's product, and they want $125 for it. That to me is a little bit overpriced, and you could probably make an offer for less than that. So at $20 a shout out, I would make an offer at $100, right? And at $20 a shout out, you do the math. You need X number of shout outs to make your money back. In that specific case, at $20 a shout out, you would need about 5 shout outs to make your money back if you got this account for $100 instead of $125. And that's how you calculate it in your head, guys. You have to calculate it in your head. There's a couple very important steps. Again, vetting the Instagram account is very important. And if you want to see a video on that, guys, comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts. Do you want that video? I'll do a video on that. I'll be more than helpful to, because that's going to help you guys a lot so you don't get scammed with fake accounts. And it's very simple. You just go, you find a similar account, ask how much for the shout out, and then you do the math. Generally speaking, you want to be able to make your money back in less than 6 months. Less than 6 months, okay? So ideally, if they're charging $20 a shout out and you know they're doing a couple a month, and you got it for $100, this would be an okay buy, assuming that they're actually getting $20 a shout out. Again, you don't want to ask them as a person, you want to pretend to be a business, so they're going to give you their honest answer, okay? So that's a very important thing. Don't just be like, hey, I'm looking to buy Instagram accounts, how much can you charge? I'm using your account as a comparison. Don't do that at all. People will be turned off by it. What you want to do is say, hey, I'm a business, how much do you charge for a shout out? They'll say, hey, we charge X for a shout out, and you do all the math. Now, I don't think they're actually going to be making $20 a shout out on this. With an account this size, I'll probably be making like $10. I don't know exactly, because I don't own any food accounts. But again, you're going to want to find the type of account, similar size, compare it, and then you'll be all set. Guys, if this video was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. It helps me out so much. And I will catch you next time. Have a great day.